Don't cook chicken breasts until you've seen this recipe. A simple and delicious dinner recipe. Let's start by cutting 2 chicken breast fillets into cubes. Make this recipe at home and come back and let me know how it turned out. An easy and delicious recipe to prepare at home. Now I'm going to take this chicken to a container. This recipe is very tasty. Let me know if you'd like more chicken or beef recipes. Add 3 eggs. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. I'll mix everything very well. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a big hug. Now I'm going to chop the parsley and spring onions. The amount is up to you. I'll add these vegetables to the chicken. I'll add 60 grams of mayonnaise. Mix everything together again. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of the video. That way I'll know how much you liked it. I add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. I mix everything together very well. Whenever I make chicken recipes here at home, there's nothing left over. Now I'm going to add 60 grams of wheat flour. And just mix everything together. Next, I'll take small portions and put them in a hot frying pan with olive oil. Let it fry until golden brown over medium-low heat. This delicious and tasty chicken recipe is ready. It was extremely appetizing. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.